Hi everyone, Kyle here, and this week we're going to be talking about Drupal. So, Drupal is another CMS or content management system that is um, the most popular out of all the CMSs. Um, Most of the big organizations and big companies use Drupal, and if you want to know why, I have a little bit here written about why big organizations and big companies prefer to use Drupal as their CMS. But today I'm going to be talking about how to add a new content type to using Drupal, how to add fields to that specific content type, and how to add fields. I mean, not how to add fields, how to create a new content type of that content type. So what you want to do is you want to go to structure up here, click on content types, and you can click this button, content type, add content type to create a new content type. So in this field, you would call it whatever you want, whatever type of content you're creating. I already have a couple of content types created, so I'm going to go back to structure and content types, and I'm going to add a new field to my course content type. So I'm going to click on Manage Fields, click on Add Field, and in this case, I'm going to be adding a field called uh, course number. So course number is going to be an integer. And so there are different values here that you can choose from, or different field types you can choose from. So I'm going to be clicking on integer and calling it course number. So allow a number of values. Course values are usually a couple of digits, so I'm just going to allow for an unlimited number of values. Here there's a little help text to kind of remind you what this specific field is for. So you can type whatever you want for this to kind of help you remember. This is the number of course. And these are optional. You can have a minimum maximum value for whatever kind of field you want to add for this content type. Um, and I'll press save settings. And as you can see here, it has shown up. Course number has shown up as a number or integer. Now that I have created this course number uh, field type, I would go back to content, click add content, and if I want to add a new course, let's say Chem, Chem 110. So introductory chemistry class. And now the fields that I'm filling out here are fields that I have previously created. Previously, course number was not here, so that is the current field that I just added in this tutorial. Credits, let's just make it 3.0 or just 3. Um, Date and time, you could just put whatever you want. 3:35 p.m. Instructor. You can type whatever instructor you want. I have a couple of instructors already populated. Room number, Thomas 100. Available seats 0, and because of that, the class is closed. And now I have a room number, a course number. So course number, I can call it whatever, 987, for example. And then I would save it. So now I have created a course called Chem 110 that also has the course number added to it. So I hope you guys learned a little bit something about Drupal, how to create a new content type, how to add a field to that content type, and then how to create the new entity of that content for that specific content type. Um, Thanks for watching. I'll see everyone next week.